friends, today we are again having this Mi Mix before us. Today we shall see that since Xiaomi has launched it as a concept phone, therefore how this phone is different from general other phones. So let me begin with, and initially I just remove this back cover which is provided along with the phone in the package itself. So this is the back cover, I remove it, and now this is the phone. So friends, the very first specialty of the phone that it is bezel-less. So we just take a test of the bezel size of the phone. We just take a photograph of this surface, and now we keep this phone on this surface, and now friends, you can see that there is almost no bezel. There is only a single line in between this surface and this picture which we have taken by this phone. So this is the bezel-less phone, and the screen to body ratio is 93%. Now friends, next and the very important is that this phone does not have any speaker grill on the top bezel of the phone, which is normally I have seen in every phone, and you must also have seen. And instead of that, this Xiaomi has used a technology that is called piezoelectric ceramic. That is a very technical name, and since I am not a technical person, but I just read and understand that this technology transmit the voice from the signals via vibrations which are transmitted from this to the user. However, if we put up our earpiece here, still I used it and I have tested that voice comes, and if we use from here, again the voice comes. And the main what you call issue with this technology is the privacy, because I have tested that the quality of the voice is not that much great and that not that much clear, but the voice may also be heard by the persons who are just around us. Therefore, this is the technology which called it a concept phone, and it may be termed as a future phone. Then friends, this screen size is 6.4 inch and the aspect ratio is 17.9, whereas the aspect ratio usually is 16:9, but here it is 17:9. Then friends, the front camera is not there on the top, it is on the bottom at this place. So let us check how the front camera performs. So friends, the front camera quality of the front camera is like this, that this photo is captured by my daughter after keeping the phone upside down, and in this photo this is captured by keeping the phone in the normal condition. Therefore, there is a visible difference in between these two photos. Now friends, the notification light has also been shifted to this bottom, as I have received some notification, therefore this light is blinking, but I believe that you are not able to see it, but this has been placed on the bottom side of this phone. Friends, this is something new that we have seen, that this type of ball, this type of navigation touch button on screen in most of the phones, but here Xiaomi has given this switch, this ball here, and we can touch simply it and enable this touch button on screen, and by again touching the same button here, we can disable the ball button. Here friends, again if you can see that the notifications are there, but there is no notification, different notification bar. We just have to swipe it down and we can see our notifications, but there is no notification bar on the top of the phone. Then friends, see this ceramic glass back side of the phone. I was not able to believe it, but this was just like a mirror which can show us our image, and we can set our hairs by viewing the phone from the back. On the top of the phone, friends, you can see that there are two noise cancellation microphone notches are provided. So the phone is having two noise cancellation microphone. I'm not sure, but I just presume that these are for noise cancellation microphone. Apart from this, you can see on my unboxing video that the packaging of the phone is very attractive. Then friends, since there is no speaker and there is no space on the top side of the phone, therefore the proximity sensor issue by which our phone screen turns off while taking or receiving a call, so it has been shifted by Xiaomi technically inside the phone, by which this phone screen turns off while receiving or making a call. Like if we can see that we have made a call, and if we touch it here, that screen turns off. Then lastly, friends, I would like to touch this rounded corner of this phone, which is making it more beautiful, and the rounded corners also make this corners display of the phone up to the maximum level. Therefore this rounded corners of the phone along with rounded display makes this phone different than other available phones. So friends, this was my try to shortly differentiate this phone from other available phones. So I will come with other reviews. Thanks for watching.